you say? Would you put it? How would you put it? How would you get it all the way? Something, something, go all the way. This is just a test, by the way, for anyone who was wondering. Just testing out something here. Okay, so if I just put that. I don't even know I'm gonna make this like work properly. Wait. Wait. What did I use for that again? Hold on, I think I have to go back. I have to see what happened. Something TTS. Okay, so UDP. So would it have to be /speak? Hold on. I'm trying to figure this out because this is. I have no idea how this is gonna work. Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board here. Okay. I think instead of making it a UDP, I'm just gonna make it a regular speak thing. Regular speak function. And it's just gonna randomize the voice. I'll use that until I figure out how to get this all properly working. Okay, speaker.bot, speak. Voicealize. I think it has to be the exact same name too. Oh wait, no, I'm going to the same app. I'm dumb. Okay, voice. Let me see. Okay. Not connect. How is it not connected? Hmm. It says it's not connected. Strange. Wait, does that mean I have to do all of that again? Okay. I'll get this working in no time. I just know it. Okay, let me see. Add speaker. Speak. It says it's not connected. I just. Alright. Hold on, I have an idea. Okay. Core. Then commands. Triggered. And then I have to put in a custom one because. Yeah. Yes. This is going to be the main command. So let me just copy this. Copy. Ignore messages. Bot accounts? Yeah. I think that'd be for the best. Okay. Now everyone here. include? I don't see why not. Okay. There we go. Alright, let me go back to the main one so I could test it out. When this is set up, it's gonna be the greatest. It's gonna be the greatest thing that ever exists. I don't think it's even connected. Oh, wait, it isn't. Wait, it isn't. Okay, no. Because then, hold on, I have to create another. I have to create another command. Okay. Okay. I know what I did wrong. Sources. Because it has to be also from the YouTube messages. So I have to make sure that it also comes from there, too. TTS. Okay. That's good. We're all good, right? Okay. Everyone allowed. User permissions. Okay, everything seems to be fine, so. Okay. Okay. There we go. I did not mean to put it in big case. Big case. I don't know why it's. I don't think it's working. Because the test speak thing works. It's just that in StreamBot it's not.
This is a test message.
Oh wait, that's Sonic. That's not. Oh. What? What just happened? I thought the stream ended. I was gonna say. Why is it dragging it out? Okay. Hmm. That's weird. It should have worked by now. I must have done something wrong, but that's something I cannot tell.
Or regular. You can even have.
Okay. So how's that one? And with this constipated face, I'm just gonna call it that, because why not? Because that's exactly what it looks like. It's just like the face when you're just constipated. Speak. What? Steve. Is that just what he named? Oh, okay, so it has to be exactly what you named the text-to-speech thing. It's still SpongeBob though. I did set it in as SpongeBob, so it should have worked. Really just gotta try again? It's still weird that it's not working now. Speaker, speak. thing is, it still says that it's not connected somehow. I don't understand. Probably that's why. That's why it's doing all this. Audio output device. Wait. I understand it now. Okay, wait. Maybe it's like a... What type of thing I gotta put here? Microcelion, no, that's the box TV I have. Huh. Which thing is, it doesn't specifically say that here. It doesn't say that here. That is strange. That is very, very, very strange. It's just set to application default, and then it just goes over there, and then it just works. But it says that's not connected. Like, why? That's the part that I don't understand. I'm not reinstalling that, bro. Nah, screw that. I gotta figure out why it's doing that, though. Because I do not understand. So it doesn't have like a thing where it just says that doesn't work and stuff? How would you connect this? Platforms? Wait. Okay, maybe I have to line through YouTube here too. Core functionality. Okay. Maybe if I connect my thing through there, then that would... What the? I didn't even sign in correctly. Hold on. No way, the actual papyrus is here? That's crazy. Yeah. Alright. That part is done. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. First words. It's like just a planner, I guess. This definitely. Stream. Connection. Doesn't say anything like that there. So I guess I'll be moving that. Integrations, services, speaker.bot, auto connect. Wait, partially connected. How do you connect? How do you connect that? Why is the speaker bot one not working out of all of them? That's just strange. Okay, don't show again. Okay, cancel. I'm gonna reopen speaker.bot and probably then it would work. I guess I just gotta reopen the app and then try it again. That's probably how I'm gonna get it to work. That is. I'm gonna be honest, I thought it was just like that one render of Papyrus from Down to the Bone for some reason. I don't know why, I just thought that. Yeah, connect. Hopefully this works. I'm the Afton. What's the plan? This is what he says canonically, by the way. This is definitely what he says. This definitely says that. It definitely says that. It's still not connecting. Okay, but will it work still, or is it like... Yeah, it's still not... Bro, what is happening? I don't get it. What am I doing wrong with the speaker bot that it's just doing that? Maybe if I take a picture of, like, the error, maybe I can get, like, a fix for that. Okay. Alright. Got it, and then... That's me. Alright, Google. Not Google Car Rental. Every single time I put in Google, it keeps putting Google Car Rental for some reason. I don't want to know about that. Okay, I don't want to know about that, Google. I'd be glad with not knowing. More than glad, actually. Keep me clueless about it as possible. I really don't want to know. Okay. I already tried that. Running correctly. I mean, I can only assume it's running correctly. I don't really see anything with that. Maybe I just have to... Wait, maybe I just have to enable it. Maybe that's why I just forgot to enable it and then it just made it weird. But as I'm still saying, that's still not the case. Somehow. Okay, WebSocket. Whatever that means. Yep, all of that is right. 100 and what? What? That many? Okay, there we go. Okay, maybe now if I go in there, it's still not connected. I'm so confused. Oh, it's only connected with YouTube, that's why. Can I bring that back? I get rid of that for no reason then. That was not something I wanted to happen. Something I never wanted to happen. It's just Speaker.bot, for some reason, it's just not doing well. And I don't even know how that's happening. Did I get the right version? I'm pretty sure I got the right version, right? Yeah, I did. Share.bot, speaker.bot. This is the latest one. Yeah, I got the latest one, but still, it's doing that. I don't understand. Strange thing is, I still did that. Still didn't work for some reason. I had to relaunch the app and everything, but guess what? Still nothing. Somehow. Put that back there. And then put the other one there too. Boom. 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 Still nothing. Then connect. You guys can guess what's gonna happen already. Nothing there. Speak UDP. SpongeBob message. Test it out. Nothing's gonna happen. Just watch.
Catch.
Oh, so it did work. Wait, what the what?
Catch.
Wait, hold on. Then how do I make that? What? Okay, wait. My brain is just fried right now. I don't understand. Okay, how am I gonna? Do I just put that then TTS that? Okay, hold on. Let me try something. Weird. Then TTS, then the message, and then I would try the other way around too. Nope, didn't work. So that means other way around. I have no idea how to make this work, like, at all.
Catch.
What the that was not what I said at all. That is not what I made it say at all, bro. Oh, damn, that's a mess. Okay. So it does work. I think I just have to make, like, the thing be empty. I'm pretty sure. Because it only says, like, one thing each time. But maybe if I just put nothing there at all, and then just do it like that, maybe it'll read the actual message. Make this work. Yeah, this is definitely what I'm going to put in there. This is great content. It's just great. It was just working a minute ago. What's going on with it now? It just stopped working now. I'm so confused. Very, very, very much confused. I have no idea what's so happening like that. It only works when I press test on it too. It like doesn't work when I do it any other way. Yeah, it does that, but hold on a second. Delete sub action yet again. Add bot voice gate profile. Still not connected somehow. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm probably just gonna have like reinstall like the whole thing, but I don't know. Like, genuinely, I do not know where to go from here. I'm gonna try the Speak UDP thing one more time, and if it doesn't work, then it's just over. Oh, wait, no, that's wrong one. Okay. So I have to put text through there. It's not gonna work otherwise. Okay. I bet this is probably still not gonna work. Even after all this. Yep. Knew it. Alright. Alright. So, I'm probably just gonna get rid of that. And of course, reinstall it yet again. Extract all. Extract. And try it again. I understand how it's still not noticing any of that. Speaker.bot again. And then click on that again. And then I have to redo everything then. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm very fine with that. Oh, there we go. I still bet it's not gonna work, but I don't know. I don't know. Wait. Wait. I could have started the server, right? Nope, it's probably still not gonna work. Even if. Incredibly. Oh. It was that easy. Okay, well, we're good. We're actually really good. Alright. Didn't expect this, but alrighty. Okay. Random voice application, whatever. Wait a second. Voice Alice's WebSocket. Speech engines. Here it is. And I'm using TTS Monster since they now support YouTube. After such a long time. Which I've been trying to get for a couple years back. But I've got it all handled now. And now it's finally released again. So I'm great on that now. And everything's working as expected, so maybe this would go off without a hitch. Alright. So, of course, we gotta add our main boys. Let me see. It doesn't let me add it, though. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I gotta add this first, of course. There we go. Now I can add it. Alright, SpongeBob, Squidward, then Plankton. Just those main three for now. And then we'll just be like randomized between each. Or something, I don't know. Okay, Speak UDP. This is gonna... I'm gonna get rid of this sub action. Re-add it again. Speak UDP. Again. And then just add TTS. Okay, now it says that it's good. Test. Okay. That's good. We're all good. Alrighty. Let me check real quick. Just to see if it works now, because I believe it should work. Since both that and the speaker bot are all connected now. So I'm just gonna copy the thing from earlier. And if that doesn't work, then instead I'm just gonna write the other one. Do you have to write like TTS.monster and then that, and then just make it work? Or I have no idea how that even... I have no idea how that would even come across. I'll figure it out eventually. But I don't think the Speak UDP thing is probably gonna be the thing. I think it's just gonna be like one voice. Unfortunately, as much as I want it to be like one voice where you can just choose who says which, it's gonna be kind of hard to like put into, unless you have to type out like a long sentence, which I'm not having to do that. Okay. So then it would just be this TTS, the basis code thing.
Test.
It works! Wait, it just says test though. I don't want it to say that. This is bad. Because every time it does it, I think it just says test and nothing else. Oh no.
Blanked.
It just says blank. No, I want to fix this. I was so close. We were this close to getting it right. Everything's working. Everything is working so perfectly though. It's just that part I have to fix. But I don't know how to fix that, that's the thing. Because I want to make it say what's in chat, not just what's on there. Because the thing is, when I set up the speaker bot, I can't have it say random stuff. I have to make it say it has to be exactly what it says there. And I don't want that to happen. I don't know what to do. Genuinely. I don't want it to just repeat what's on there. I want it to say what's in chat. It works though. And I'm very happy it does. That means it's finally stream ready. Which is exactly what I've been wanting this whole time. Okay. StreamerBot.
Now, if you want that message to be read out every time someone gives you bits, just go over to the Platforms tab, Twitch, Cheers, and set the cheer action to...
the thing, okay, maybe it's because it's setting it to cheer. That's probably why. Okay, wait. Hold on, which one is that in? Platforms, alright. Platforms, it's not here. Maybe accounts? Okay, yeah, this could be it. And not sign of that one either. Sign into either of these. What happened with the YouTube one? Is there just not one for YouTube? That's extremely weird. Would have let me do YouTube, so I don't know what's doing this now. Wait a minute, is this in Streamer or? Oh yeah, it's in StreamerBot. That's probably why. Okay, all right, I got it. All right. So. Platforms, YouTube. All right, there we go. First words. Broadcaster auto connect. Wait. Okay, so then that's weird because if I don't have anything that makes it set to where, you know, it just says any of that. I don't know. That's really weird though. Emote handlers. I have no idea what any of those are, so I'm just not gonna mess with that. Okay, that's probably why. But then that still wouldn't make sense, so. This is weird. Okay. Online broadcasts. I don't want to repeat though. That's the thing. Action history. Okay. Test default. Concurrent always run if queue is paused. Okay, that's all good. It's this so that I'm having a hard time with. Because every time I'll just type something, it just says blank. And I don't want that. Okay.
Blank.
You've got to be fucking kidding me. It just says blank. Wait, there's got to... Hold on. There's got to be something I haven't clicked yet that makes it so it's like that. Dispatch up my ass up! Concurrent. What does this mean? Wait. Top level actions at the same time. Action queue pending history. Okay. At the same time, that's... Nah. I think that's good. Okay. TTS. Cooldowns sources. Twitch and YouTube messages. Location, probably, that could be it, too. It's just that. Enabled, include, subscribers, VIPs, mode, normal. That could just be just TTS. TTS, command. This should be good, though. Alright, I think that's good. bot account. It could be the bot account thing too. Alright. I think we're good. Okay. Let me test it out now, just to make sure that works. I just want to see what it says. Please. Please, just let this work. Please.
Blank.
No! It still says blank! Okay, okay, genuinely, what the hell could it be, though? It's still saying blank. And I told it not, even if I tried doing everything to make it not say blank.
The action that you just made. Now we can modify this message too. So instead of just reading out the exact same message every time someone cheers, you can put in variables, which we talked about a few videos ago, where we can actually insert the name of the person that gave us bits, as well as the amount of bits that they sent us. Remember, in StreamerBot, every variable is in percent symbol, cent. Go ahead and add text to speech whenever. I think you'll have
So that's what it does? No, but it's supposed to read out the messages, isn't it? No, but I'm very confused right now. Like, extremely confused. Okay. What the f is that name? Did that say Nutbot? I didn't. No, it literally said. What the f? What name for a TTS is that? The Nutbot. That is crazy. I'm just gonna say that is just crazy. No, so it can't be. Wait. What? No, but it can be the different messages, right? Dude, I swear, if I set this up this whole time, and this whole time I was just supposed to be sending one message, I'm gonna be pissed. I did not want this.
Click Create Credentials for a service account. Give the account a name you will recognize, and click Create and Continue. Ignore the...
No way. Dude, no way. I just did all that just for it to say, nope, it's just gonna read one message. That's literally it. I got this whole thing set up. I am not having this wasted.
Speaking options. This is a big page. So let me zoom in here. Once you've set this up, you're pretty much good to go and don't need to come back here again. But there are some key things that we want to cover. So for feature, and then the general tab, and then click the enable again. First thing we have to do after we download and open the bot is that we have to connect it to everything that we connect it to. So we're going to skip over a
Okay.
these tabs.
So I have to enable it.
The first thing we're going to look at here is the
That's
user
exactly what I'm gonna do.
Make
Nope.
sure that
Don't do
speaker
that
is
either.
in the name, we have our own ID, and again that it is enabled. Okay, we're looking for primarily. Okay, we're gonna
Settings general. Okay. Settings in general. Enabled. Wait. That could be why it just says blank. I just didn't set it up properly. It just says random crap now.
Blank.
Fuck. Nope, still doing that.
go now.
Back to the drawing board again.
We're gonna go now to the accounts tab.
Accounts.
Click on the tab, and as you can see, we are not logged in to anything currently.
Okay, maybe if I just do Streamlabs first. maybe, just maybe, it would work. Streamlabs. Login. Authorize. Yes. You may now close this web page. The website, though, which is, I'm pretty sure it's the same. Discord. Guess not. Alrighty then. Stream Elements. Do I even have a Stream Elements account? I'm pretty sure I don't. Right? Yeah, I don't have one. So, I would only need a in case, I guess it's just this and Sumi VA? Why does it have a question mark? The hell? Alright, back to that later. Alright. The hell? What the fuck? Oh, I thought it was gonna get rid of the whole app. I was gonna say, what? Why? Generic speaker. Yeah, random. Spoken previews. I just don't want it to be blank. Because it keeps reading it. Wait, I've said it too many times. I can't keep saying it, but. I'm just saying. Random action? Okay. That's done. This is done too, I'm pretty sure. Unless I have to make a completely new one. Which I don't even know how that would work. Okay, so that, and that are good. Include. Yes. TTS. Maybe since it's also doing that through Twitch, and I don't even use Twitch, maybe that's why. That's good. Yeah, I mean, this is good. I don't know why I wouldn't allow it now. Oh yeah, that's right. I have to put in the command. Keep saying fucking blank though. I don't like how it does that. What the? Oh, no.
Please don't turn me into a squid.
Nope, it's still doing that. Still running with that for some reason. Okay. I have an idea. Maybe it's not the sub-action speak thing. No profiles, huh? Didn't I literally have one set up, or is that just something else? voice gate. Device to monitor, I guess. Counts, full calls. Say everything. Maybe that's why. That's gotta be it. That's gotta be it. Command prefix TTS. So maybe now that that's out of the way, maybe it'll work now. Speak UDP. Wait. Its name. Hold on. I'm thinking that it's named TTS, correct? Yeah, it is TTS. Alright. So we're good then. Just have to add a message in here, which I don't like. Alright. That's done. Now I'm gonna test yet again.
Plankton M.
The fuck? It just said Plankton then M. Now what's going on? Wow.
Plankton M.
Why the fuck does it keep saying Plankton M? Oh no, what did it do now? What did it do now? What did I make the generic speaker? It didn't make it say anything. That's weird.
This is a test message.
I'm very confused now. No, it's just TTS. Force. Alright. Are you serious? Is that how it's gonna work? Just put that and then the voice? Dude, I swear, if this actually works, I'm actually gonna be... Bro, this whole time, can't be. It can't be. Yep, it's not doing anything. Just like I thought. Okay, hold on. So if that's the case, if that's absolutely the case, when I put, say, RGP, you know what, sure, that, it's gonna say it. It doesn't. It does not say it at all. What the hell, man? I'm very confused right now. I have no idea what it's doing, bro. I have no idea what it's doing. What that diddy blood doing. Anyway, speaker.bot. Is that why? Okay, maybe if I... Oh, no wonder it's put an AI noise canceling output. I barely use that one. I barely use that. Is that why it's been saying M? Plankton M. Is that why?
Squidward M.
No, it still says it. It legit still says it. Okay, maybe I'm gonna delete this one for now. and then just do that again and see what happens. Go on mute, JP. Go on mute, JP. Okay, it just does not say anything. Doesn't even say Plankton M or anything. It's just completely silent. So. Maybe if I add that in TTS, maybe that would work. But who knows? Let's see if it listens to me saying it. Nope. Apparently still not. Squidward M. Squidward M still kills me to this day. Squidward M. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna stick with that. And then get rid of this one and then add another one that's just the speak thing, just by itself. TTS. What will it say?
Plankton Z.
Why the does it keep saying plankton name and then something? Bro, what is this? Squidward M. Maybe if I get rid of this. Delete action. And then it's just gonna say Plankton Z again, doesn't it?
SpongeBob Z.
Now it's SpongeBob. Now it's just SpongeBob Z. That's interesting.
Squidward Z.
Squidward. I can't edit the actual thing though, so I'm gonna have to, I would have to keep adding and adding and adding to it until I actually get something right. Wow, I did not sign myself up for this, or maybe no. Actually, I think I did. Yeah, that makes sense. TTSG enabled. Go on mute, JP. Go on mute, JP. I don't know why I keep saying that. I'm just obsessed with saying that stupid meme. Yo, go on mute, JP. Go on mute, JP. VIPs, user permissions. Myself? What are you talking about? Everyone. Literally everyone. And how do I allow that for all? Allow all or only those? Yeah, that's something, I guess. Yeah, you know what? No, not Ragex. Because then it just goes to someone else. I don't like that. That will have to do. So then, delete. And then we'll just be left with that.
Squidward Z.
Why the does it keep saying Squidward then Z? What the is Okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that. I just made the mic wobble. Okay, maybe I have to put it to literally everyone. Maybe that's the way I'm gonna get this working. Oh, it's just a stream for something that I'm setting up for, like, future streams. Testing something out.
Squidward Z.
It still says Squidward Z. It doesn't say anything else. It just says Squidward Z. That's all it says. It just keeps saying that same exact thing. How the hell do I get rid of that? I don't want it to keep saying that. API key, there's menu, there's home, actions. Concurrent? Maybe, I don't know, something like that. I honestly don't know what to put in there anymore. I'm just putting random stuff. Oh wait, no. Is that TTS and then random? It's just gonna say Squidward Z.
Plankton, Z.
Oh, well at least it's different, but still, that's bad. Please don't tell me the whole purpose of this is just to do that. Dude, if that's the... if that's the whole point, I've wasted all this time for nothing. I've spent all of this time just doing that for absolutely no reason other than to say one thing. Okay.
Type whatever you want to say.
Okay.
That command.
Okay. I gotta be doing something wrong. I gotta be doing something wrong with that. That's probably it. It's this command that's ruining everything. Or the command that I'm putting in right now. I'm not putting in the right one. And I just gotta put in the right one. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Alright.
Twitch as well.
Hold on, I'm just watching a tutorial from here. So if you see... So if you hear another voice,
Or even troll
that's why.
if you want. For any of those type of messages.
I'd rather not do that, but alright. So setting up Minds. Minds is literally just going to be YouTube. I don't think I'm going to be using, like, Twitch again anytime soon, so it's just going to be YouTube messages. Alright.
Now, if you want it to be able to be triggered, that command, by anybody in your stream, then leave the permissions as is.
Okay, so just don't add any of those. Got it.
This means that everybody will be able to use the message. If you only want moderators, then you go ahead and click on
Alright,
moderators.
makes
with
sense.
the arrows to the right, and now only moderators are allowed to use this command. We're going to leave it for now. We're going to leave it that everybody can use the command. We're going to click OK. Now our command exists. We have it selected. We're going to click OK here.
Alright. I'm going to put it as TTS once again. But this time it might actually work. I've been glossing over every single part except that. I will not rest until this works, damn it. I'm very committed to this. I'll not have it say Squidward Z on my path.
SpongeBob, Z.
Nope, it's still saying SpongeBob Z. Still saying that shit. But when did I want to open up Blender? I never asked to open Blender. What the hell? Oh wait, no, that's just...
And then we add our sub-action again.
They released a new SML episode while I was doing this whole entire thing, by the way.
Speak.
I was doing it for so long that during the middle of this stream, SML posted.
And the message this
That's
time
how long it took.
Percentage, raw input,
Wait.
percentage.
Oh, that's probably what did it. That's probably what did it. Not putting raw input this whole time. I'm pretty sure that's the reason. That makes so much sense. That actually makes so much sense. Raw input. And then that again. Dude.
What this does is that when someone uses the command, anything after that command is called raw input. So if they use exclamation mark TTS hello world, then this will read out hello world.
Oh my goodness, that was the reason. That was why it was doing that. That was legit why it was doing that the entire time. I just had to put raw input into the command, and then it would do it. Wait, let me test something out. I'm gonna put in a meme one. If anyone actually gets this, you will get $1,000. I don't know.
Percent Raywinpoot percent.
Are you fucking wait? No, I put it in wrong, right? Raw input. I put input. Oh, I'm supposed to put input. Oh, I put it in wrong. Alright. Yo, go on mute, JP. Go on mute, JP. It's such a classic, bro. It's so funny. I don't know why. I remembered it now, and it's just stuck in my mind. I can't get it out of my head, bro.
Yo, go on mute, go on mute.
Wait, it works? Yo! It's finally working. All those hours of sanity just gone.
I'm gonna crash the fucking stream, yee.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, I'm so happy I finally got this to work. Alright, hold on. One more thing I wanted to do. One more final test. Something I couldn't do back then, I finally got working now. FNAF lore. I just wanted to read a little bit of the FNAF lore. Alright. I wonder what voice it's gonna say it in. It's just like a random surprise. You don't know who the hell is gonna be saying this. So you're just gonna have to, like, be wishing for the best. Dude. Okay, I'm just gonna be recording this part. So, wait a second, hold on. I have to put this in screen capture just for people to, just for y'all to be able to see this. But, basically, I made it now, so when you put, exclamation mark TTS, and then you just put whatever you want, it's just gonna say it in, like, a voice. I actually got it to work this time, and I'm very proud of it. Wait, listen. What the? Hold on, it didn't work that time.
FNAF
Oh, there
is
we
no
go.
ordinary game. Despite spawning its own cinematic universe around its lore, it's not a traditional narrative-driven game. What gave the franchise its initial popularity is how cryptic.
So yeah, there you go. Alright. Another thing I want to test out. And this is going to be the last thing before I actually go to sleep, because I need to go to sleep, like, desperately. I just really wanted to get this working before I went. Okay. Percent raw input percent. Alright. I'm good now. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna make it so it's a specific character saying it. That's what I'm trying to understand. Squidward. And if that doesn't work, then I'll just try another way.
Squidward, something is happening, I think.
Wait, does that actually work? Hold on, maybe I have to use Squidward, then TTS. Okay. Squidward, TTS. I'm just gonna make it spout a bunch of garbage, I don't know. That'd work, right? Wait. Okay, I don't think that's gonna work. How do I make it so it's just a specific character doing it? Because I want it to be like, so you could choose who's saying what.
Grulgard.
Okay, TTS, SpongeBob. Oh. That's what it says.
SpongeBob, what's your older?
If I don't make it say its own name, then it's good. Okay, get rid of that. Okay. So, TTS, SpongeBob. TTS, SpongeBob. I make crappy Pat. Yeah, you know what? That's good.
SpongeBob, I make the Krabby Pat.
Okay. It says its own name, though. That's what I'm trying not... That's what I don't want to happen. That's the only problem with, like, the individuality thing. Okay, that's good. So it's just not set with that anymore? Okay, that's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. So this didn't have to matter at all. Yeah, this is good. Okay, wait, if I want to make, like, the thing actually work. Okay, auto connect, auto reconnect. There's gotta be one here that had that. Bad word filter. No, not that. Okay, these are just the downloads, which I'm not trying to look for. Speaker UDP thing. Where did I put that? Speaker UDP. Here it is. Alright. Specific characters.
Welcome back, you f***ing maniacs. Thanks for showing.
Oh, what a strong start. What a strong start. Speaker. TTS. Multiple characters. Stream. Okay. I just don't want it to say the SpongeBob part. Okay, maybe I just put voicealize, then raw input. I'll just try that and see what happens. It's probably not gonna work well, but it'll be worth a try, I guess. Spin me right round, baby, right round.
Voice alias SpongeBob Raw.
Okay, that won't work then. Oh wait, no, I put in the wrong thing. It's UDP. There we go. Send a message. Use the prefix. Include with messages when username is included in TTS. UDP server overview. I really need to see this because I have no idea how UDP. Fuck.
it was just showing like one specific part of it for too long, and it wasn't even the right one. Specific users. It won't be an entirely new concept, but at least it's an evolution for a new path.
Command, speak, ID, voice alias, message, Squidward holy shit. SpongeBob, holy shit.
Okay. Also, basically, I have it so where the actual name of the thing is TTS, and inside of those are the voice aliases. So I want like the different voice aliases. For example, if I put in TT exclamation mark TTS SpongeBob and then my message, I could just put it as like exclamation mark TTS the voice alias that I want to put on, like the different voice, and then the actual message. How do I do that? The thing is, I want to put this all on Speak UDP TTS. And the exclamation mark TTS thing is a trigger that I put onto the actions in streamer.bot. But I want it so in Speak UDP, I just put the voice alias. So, for example, the actual like voice inside of that name that's been put in voice aliases in speaker.bot is TTS Monster SpongeBob, TTS Monster Squidward, TTS Monster Plankton. But I just wanted to be so where I put like SpongeBob, Squidward, or Plankton, then I put the message afterwards. It just gets rid of the character name that's supposed to be for, and it just sends the message. And the message is supposed to be percent raw input percent, because if it doesn't work, because if it's anything other than that, then it won't work. variable name value, 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 variable name, and the other says value.
Okay, wait. Okay, there we go. Also, this is a test stream. Oh, but I could have made it private, actually. That was a good point. Alright. Just at least one more thing. Then I could call it off here. Because I need some heavy rest. If it doesn't work, I'll just call it off here. I made some good progress anyway, so... Yeah, that didn't work, unfortunately. It's fine, though. I got close enough to where I wanted it to be. So that's all that matters. Well, anyways, see you guys probably on the next stream tomorrow.